guys, sorry for that weird sorry for that weird intro, but yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video, and it's laggy for some reason. But I've made an iCarly set in Minecraft. Let's go see. Okay, so here we go. Here's the hallway. Since when was there a hole in there? Anyways, this place doesn't go anywhere, and here's the Shay apartment. This is the only apartment that goes anywhere. Sadly, the stairs don't go anywhere either. Looks way better than my old set. Okay, next is Spencer's bedroom. Right over here. Oh my god. Holy frick. So here's Spencer's room. It doesn't really look as accurate, but it's close. Really nothing much. This isn't really nothing much. I made this. I don't know why I did that. Here's Carly's room. So here's Carly's room. I have sea lantern ceilings to avoid bats getting in. So here's a really quick thing. Here's a little quick small thing. The elevator. I know it should be connected to the Shay apartment, but it's not. So wait, there's a burnt bedroom. I'm not going to show that one because it's not really a part of the set. Anyways, here is the studio. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a like, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!